Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing in iPhone. So if you're in your WhatsApp and you are trying to see your contact list on WhatsApp and you are facing error or you are not getting all of your phone contacts on WhatsApp, here's how to fix it. The first solution is you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see any update available, first of all, update your WhatsApp app and then relaunch your WhatsApp app, tap on this plus icon and check the issue. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings and scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on WhatsApp. And here you have to enable contacts option. If the contact option disabled, you won't find your phone contacts on your WhatsApp. So must enable this contacts option and then relaunch your WhatsApp and tap on this plus icon. And now here you should see all of your contacts. And another solution is go to your iPhone settings and now scroll down and tap on mail and tap on accounts and tap on Gmail. And here make sure to turn on your Gmail contacts and also tap on iCloud and make sure to enable iCloud contacts on your phone and then check the issue. And the last solution is offload your WhatsApp app. To do that, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on General, iPhone storage. Here, search for WhatsApp. All you have to need, just tap on offload app and then reinstall the WhatsApp app. And after following all of these solutions, hope the error will be solved now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.